The Empty Pot, a story of honesty. Hello everyone, welcome back to Todd Tales, where stories grow like magic, just like seeds, or do they? Today's story comes all the way from ancient China, and it's all about being honest even when it's really hard. Once upon a time, there was a kind little boy named Ping. He loved growing plants. His flowers were the brightest and his vegetables the juiciest. Everyone admired his beautiful garden. One day, the Emperor of China had an idea. He was getting old and needed to choose a new ruler. But he didn't want to choose someone rich or powerful. He wanted someone honest. So he made a special announcement. I will give every child in the kingdom a seed. Take it home, plant it, and bring it back in 1 year. The one with the best plant will be the next emperor. Ping was excited. He took the seed home, filled a pot with soil, and watered it every day. But something strange happened. Nothing grew. Days passed, then weeks, then months. Still, Ping's pot was empty. He tried everything. Fresh soil, gentle sunlight, careful watering. But still, the pot stayed empty. Maybe I'm not good at this anymore, Ping thought sadly. But when the year was over, he still carried his empty pot to the palace. The palace garden was full of colorful flowers and tall plants. The other children laughed at Ping. You didn't grow anything. You'll never be emperor. But the emperor looked at all the pots carefully. Then he spotted Ping's empty one. What is your name, child? He asked. Ping, your majesty, he said, looking down. I'm sorry I failed. The emperor smiled. No, you didn't fail. You were the only one who was honest. The seeds I gave were all boiled. They couldn't grow. The others replaced their seeds. But you told the truth. And so, Ping, the boy with the empty pot, became the new emperor of China. Moral of the story? Being honest takes courage, but it is always the right thing to do. Did you like Ping's story? Then give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to Todd Tales for more stories that grow hearts and minds. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like for more videos.